Welcome. If you want to stay updated every time someone remixes your reel on Instagram, you'll want to enable notifications for remixes right from your PC. With the latest Instagram update, you can now manage these settings easily in your browser. Let's walk through the steps together so you never miss a remix again. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More and give it a click. A new menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This is where you can control all your account preferences, including notifications. Inside the Settings menu, look for Notifications. Click on it, and then choose Push Notifications. This section lets you customize exactly which alerts you want to receive while using Instagram on your computer. Scroll down until you find the Remixes option. This is the setting that controls notifications when someone remixes your reel. Click on it, and you'll see a few choices. To make sure you get notified, select On. That's it. Now, whenever someone remixes your reel, you'll get a notification right on your desktop. This is perfect for creators who want to engage with their audience and keep track of how their content is being used by others. Remember, enabling push notifications on your browser means you'll get these updates even if you're not actively browsing Instagram. Just make sure your browser allows notifications from Instagram. If you haven't already, you might see a prompt asking for permission. Click Allow to make sure everything works smoothly. With these simple steps, you'll always be in the loop whenever your reels are remixed. Stay creative, stay connected, and keep making content that inspires others to join in.